Well, it rained almost 9/10 of an inch last night, and the sun was out and the winds are really ripping today. So I apologize if it's a bit windy, but got the headlights all straightened around. That one was bad, and this one was so dim because the OEM plug, somebody replaced it with a regular spade terminal and it wasn't making good contact. So I got that straightened around and working on another little thing that annoys the daylights out of me. For the right turn signal, you had to hold it up to make good contact. So what I did was take it all apart. Here is the switch and the rest of the mechanism. I don't know how well you can see here. Focus. Don't want to focus the best. But this is for the right turn signal. Left. Right. This little doohickey is your bright lights. But see, can you see very well? That contact's got a lot of black on it, corrosion. I priced this turn signal bright light switch through Napa, the Grody switch. It's $280. And I'm going to do my darndest. Take some emery cloth and run in there and put it all back together and see what that does. It'll probably fall down. I'll probably knock it off. But this is going to be a little tricky. Gaining, I just can't get it exactly where I need it to go. Well, if I do this. Put a little pressure on it. Looking better. So hopefully the problem was it was a little corroded and it wasn't making good contact, and you had to hold it for it to make good contact. And that side looks pretty good. Let's see if I can run a little bit on this side. If I can fold it in half. Yep, that ain't gonna work. Putting this bad boy is gonna be a little tricky to get it back together. Alright. No, stuff's falling. It is well greased. So there, that goes on there like that. Maybe. There's a spring underneath there that helps pull it back. I'll try to get this. That goes back there. Try not to pinch any wires. With my fat hands, I'm doing this backwards. That's got to go through there like that. I ain't gonna lie, this is a pretty complicated little setup. Alright, that's through there like that. Flip it around, maybe get a better view. Will you stay right there? Okay. Now for the fun part. I'm still missing a piece. That goes on there like that. This is where it's really tricky. Stuff to fall apart. That goes on there like so-y. Well greased, well greased. Lots of grease in there. Voila, the writing goes on the back, Corey. Stupid move. Don't you want to go all the way in? No, no, no. You stay down. No, that takes something apart I shouldn't have. Man, that is. Now I gotta wipe my hands off. It's gonna be a little more challenging than I anticipated. Okay, success in that department. If I knock the camera off, I apologize, but I'm not moving my hands. That works. Nope. I think I helped it, but not. Yeah, maybe it works. Lots of messy. Alright. Nope. Works good that way. Still kinda gotta play with it. Son of a biscuits. I don't know. You can see the turn signal and the switch. Back it up. Throw it up. It's blinking. So you play with it a little bit. That works. Turn left alright all day long. See? This might be a good JB weld. Because it looks like it's wore a little bit right there. Focus. Right there. The end of the screwdriver. Not blinking. Blinking. Just needs a little bit of something to hold it up. I'm not paying $280 when it's not wore out. Well, I guess it is wore out, but yep. I'm gonna mix up a little JB weld and just put a little bit of layer right there. Help hold that up. What's the worst it can do? Not work? Break it? Probably should anyway, but since it rains so much, can't do anything. It's been bugging me for like 2 years, so I'm gonna fix it. I'll take it back apart, clean it up, put a little bit of layer on there. It's not gonna need much of JB weld. I'll be back. Alright, we're back. Focus. Put just a slight layer of JB weld on there. Do the maiden voyage. It's been a couple hours. I don't think I put enough hardener in, but we'll try it. Looky there. It worked. It's not quite set either. Son of a gun. I have to get a screwdriver or something. Smooth that back out. So hopefully I got that situation fixed. And it doesn't cost me $280 to get a new one. See, it put a little divot in it. No, I ain't gonna mess with that anymore. Let's check the rest of our lights. I got them all on. Yes. And my cab lights ain't working. Dims. And brights. Yay. Let's check the rest. That one's on. That one's on. That one's on. That one's not on. It's probably like the one I just replaced. Really need to be doing this with a bigger screwdriver. Brittle, cracked. Corroded. That one's on. All of those are on. Just replace that one. I kind of like to keep them all like that, but it was gone. And that's the one you really need, because it's on your blind side, and when you're turning in somewhere, you really want to know where the back of your trailer's at. On. And the wind's still blowing. Stuff's falling. Here's the one I replaced. Corroded. Piece of memory cloths. Why are my cab lights not on? That's going to aggravate me. Fix one thing and then another thing quits. I don't know if that'll clean up enough. Success! We are lit! Yep, that is it for the day. Got a little do a little welding project for friends, so probably got 15 minutes of video now. But as far as lights are concerned, it's a go. Except for my clearance lights. That's going to aggravate me. I will see you tomorrow.